Extra Booster '03 just dropped, and the secondary market is exploding. If you want to build a bulletproof TCG portfolio, you need to understand what is happening with these massive chase cards before spending a single dollar. Buckle up, investors. The Heroines edition is breaking all the rules, and the profit potential is staggering. Let's dive into the initial release wave. Extra Booster '03. Heroines edition officially hit shelves last Friday, February 20th, and the initial hype has been nothing short of explosive. While we are writing this today, on February 24th, meaning the market is still very much in its volatile shakeout phase, we wanted to provide our readers with a rough summary overview of the current landscape. This set is heavily focused on the most popular female characters in the franchise, a theme that drives immense collector demand. Despite Bandai recently announcing reprints for this set alongside EB03 coming in June, sealed booster boxes are stubbornly holding around an astonishing $350 per box. The biggest and most surprising storyline of EB03 is the sheer dominance of special SP rarities. Lately, SPs have been catching serious fire, and this set is the ultimate proof of that shift. In a massive twist, the highly anticipated Manga Rare Uta, currently sitting comfortably at the number 2 spot for around $1,200, has been unexpectedly dethroned. The undisputed heavyweight champion of this set is currently the Nami SP, commanding an absolutely staggering $1,600 for a near-mint copy. For savvy investors, this rarity shift shouldn't come as a total surprise. We've been tracking a massive upward trend for SPs across the entire One Piece ecosystem. This phenomenon hasn't been uncommon in recent releases. Just look back at OP14, where the SP Zoro and SP Boa Hancock firmly cemented themselves in the top 5 most valuable cards. Special rarities are officially the new gold standard, and collectors are pivoting their portfolios to aggressively target these stunning alternate arts over traditional high-rarity pulls. Rounding out the top chase cards in EB03 perfectly illustrates why sealed prices are currently through the roof. Coming in third place is the gorgeous SP Nico Robin at roughly $1,000, followed closely by the fourth place SP Boa Hancock, also hovering around the $1,000 mark. Holding down the fifth spot is the SP Nefeltari Vivi at an impressive $500. When you do the math, the current top 5 cards possess a combined value of over $5,000. This massive top-end equity is single-handedly justifying that hefty $350 box price for the time being. However, we must view this early market through a realistic investor's lens. We absolutely expect these peak prices to level out, as they always do, when more sealed product is inevitably ripped and a higher volume of singles floods the secondary market. The cards we expect to correct the most aggressively are the much less rare super rare SR alternate arts. Currently, these are exchanging hands in the highly inflated $40 to $100 plus range. Do not buy into the release week FOMO here. We strongly anticipate these specific SR alts to crash down to far more realistic price points sooner rather than later. As usual, our definitive advice to portfolio builders is to exercise patience and wait for this set to properly shake out. You will almost certainly find a much lower buy-in price if you allow some time to pass. Those currently hoarding massive amounts of sealed product and high-end singles need to seriously worry about the next wave of this set, which is guaranteed to hit the market this summer. Capitalize on the panic of over-leveraged sellers when that reprint wave drops, rather than buying at the absolute release week premium. All in all, Extra Booster '03 is a remarkably solid set that has injected incredible energy into the One Piece TCG. Because it features the franchise's most beloved characters, we believe Heroines Edition will maintain extremely strong long-term appeal. Keep your capital ready, monitor those SP price charts closely, and prepare to strike when the summer reprints trigger a market dip. Smart investing is all about timing, and your patience with EB03 will pay off handsomely.